Hi, it's Ms. Todoric, and this is Chapter 8, Students Presented on JavaScript. And this assignment is how to create a photo slideshow in HTML. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to save 3 images. So I'm going to give the students these images because this website is actually blocked. So I'm going to right-click, Save Image As, and then this is the image. Nature, and it already has its image name, and we're going to place that on the desktop. Save. Now the second image, save image as, right click, save image as, snow wide, desktop, save. And then the third image, save image as, desktop, save. And then the fourth image, save image as, save it all to the desktop, mountains wide, save. So they all have the image name. So now to create this slideshow, here is the HTML. So step 1, you're going to add this HTML. So you're going to copy. I'm going to give Okay, so we're going to actually try it ourselves because we want all the code instead of me copying it one at a time. We'll do the automatic slideshow. So here, I'm going to take the code. So this website is great because you have the code, you try the code, and then it will show you. But for us, since this website is blocked, we're going to Control C to copy this code. And now we're going to open our notepad. So I'm going to go, here's notepad. I'm going to just erase it, or I can do File, New Tab. I'm going to Control V. So I copied and I pasted the code from that website into my notepad. And then I want to make sure the image names, image mountains wide. So here's the first image, second, third. I don't see... We can have the fourth image, but it looks like this is 3 images, which is fine. Then we're going to go File, Save As. We save everything as index.html. We're going to save it to the desktop. Yes, replace it. And now when I go to my desktop and I open up this web page, you're going to see the slideshow. So this is the automatic slideshow. It's going to change the image every 2 seconds, and those are the images that we saved. Hope this helps. Thank you so much for that website. Once again, if you are learning HTML, I highly recommend w3schools.com. It's a great website. Here it is. And then if you don't have access to this website, you can have someone access it for you, copy paste the code, and then run the code on Notepad and check your work. Thanks for watching.